Welcome to South Surrey and White Rock. This area is famous for a lot of things, including the ocean front, the beach walk with many restaurants, including 15 ice cream stores just for you if you have a sweet tooth. The pier is a worldwide attraction when people come here to look around, and it's a beautiful place to live. The sunshine in this area is greater than any other area in the Lower Mainland, so you have a lot of sun compared to the rest.
And this place has one of the best coffee shops, and one of them being is a Everbean coffee shop, as well as the Wooden Spoon. So if you want to hang out with your friends or have a meeting, great spot to hang out.
So let's go and see the suite.
So this building has a secure entrance which requires a fob to get in. We have our stairs as well as our elevators to get to the parking lot, in addition to mailboxes with large packages boxes as well.
The recreation room is a recreation room that can be booked for events and parties, and does have a kitchen to help with the event.
So Michael, tell me more about this property that we're about to list.
This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, almost 1,300 square feet living on the ground floor. It's spacious, bright, on a corner, and it is ready to move in.
Let's go have a look.
Let's go have a look. Welcome to Unit 105. Immediately upon entering the suite, you have on the left-hand side a large storage closet that could actually be used for an office. On your right-hand side, you have a laundry room, full-size laundry with full-size washer and dryer.
As we step into this beautiful kitchen, we got new matte black kitchen appliances along with granite countertops.
Then there's 2 pantries at the back of the kitchen here that actually will give you the storage you need for all your food and canned goods.
And there's lots of space here, and currently that space is being used as an office, but it could be a nook as well.
As you walk into the suite, across from the kitchen, you have a 3-piece bath with an entrance for the 2nd bedroom.
So as we walk into the living spaces of this room, we have a really nice dining area with large windows looking up to the green space because of a corner unit.
The bay windows also give us a lot of light and has greenery all around it, as this is a corner unit. It also comes with a gas fireplace and also a beautiful mantle. Attached to the main living area of this home is also a solarium. Solarium which you can sit in the mornings and have a nice cup of coffee, as well as the little green space that you could plant a garden. When you enter the master bedroom, you'll find a 4-piece bath with a separate shower, as well as his or her closets on either side.
And this is a large master bedroom. Currently it has a queen-size bed, but could easily fit a large king bed.
And in the 2nd bedroom, we have a large bedroom. It has 2 entrances and could easily be an office if you so desired.
Thanks again for watching this tour. My name is Verinder.
My name is Michael Gibson from BC Condos and Homes, part of RE/MAX. If you'd like to schedule a showing for this unit, please call me or get in touch with your realtor. Thank you.